Hello everyone, here we are taking little hair and then making a braid and then taking rest of the hair and passing it through the braid side by side till this beautiful and long braid can be made, and then we are folding it out into a bun. Next we are separating our hair and tying it around with a rubber band. Next we are making two braids and then we are folding it together, as you can see how we are doing it, and your hairstyle is done. Next we are going to make this beautiful and small ponytail by using two rubber bands, and then we are making a low ponytail to the remaining hair. Then we are going to separate the hair and making this bun. Let's move ahead. Here we are tying a low ponytail and then we are going to pass it through itself so that this loose hairstyle can be made. Let's move ahead. Here we are going to make a low ponytail and then we are going to make a French braid by taking hair from both sides little by little and then leaving rest of the hair untied for making this beautiful and voluminous bun. Let's move ahead. Here we are taking hair from both sides, tying it around as you can see and securing it with a rubber band, then making a low ponytail and forming it into a bun. Next we are going to tie a ponytail and then making 3 braids from that. After that we are joining 3 braids and then folding it together into a bun and just securing it with a clip. Let's move ahead. Here we are just separating our hair into 2 kinds and making this 2 braids as shown in the video, joining the 2 braids and then folding them together into this cute bun and apply any accessory to it. Next we are taking a low ponytail, then separating it into 3 parts and making a French braid in the middle. Then to the side here we are joining it to the braid and folding it out into the bun. Let's move ahead. Here we are going to tie a ponytail into low shape and then we are going to roll it out into this beautiful bun and then applying any clip or security. Let's move ahead. Here we are taking 2 rubber bands for making our low ponytail. Then we are going to convert it into 3 parts, joining them together and folding it out into this bun hairstyle. Let's move ahead. Here we are going to take our low ponytail, separating them into 2 parts, passing them through themselves and then folding it out together and secure it with any type of clip. Next we are forming a braid, leaving rest of the hair untied, and then to the untied hair we are also making 2 braids at both the sides, then joining 3 of them and making the school bun by folding them. Let's move ahead. Here we are separating our hair into 2 parts and then folding them together into themselves and then folding it out into this beautiful heart hairstyle, and you can see it's done.